Hello everyone, welcome back to Shift for Cube. Today we are going to explore an excellent free Blender add-on. With this add-on, you can effortlessly generate sky and atmosphere. What's even more interesting is that it's completely free. Just enter 0 and hit purchase. After downloading the add-on, install it in Blender and you will conveniently find it located in the 3D view sidebar. This add-on requires on cycles render settings, so be sure to switch from EV to cycles. Then I have enabled denoising and reduced the viewport render samples in my preferences. You can see that all the settings are turned on. I'm going to switch from solid mode to render mode. Now just click on import atmosphere. Once clicked, the sky will automatically generate. You can edit the atmospheric conditions settings to generate your desired sky. You can disable or enable the sun disk. You can increase the sun size. Just adjust angular settings to control the sun size. You can increase the sun intensity. Then elevation changes the vertical angle of the sun. If you keep providing values, the sun position will change vertically. Azimuth adjusts the horizontal angle of the sun. In the atmosphere, you can adjust the density of air molecules. You can observe the color changes. Next, control the density of dust molecules. You can observe dark shadows near the sun when adjusting its values. The middle intensity decrease or increase when you change the ozone layer values. Next, you can customize the color of the sky. In volumetrics, the colors of objects' reflections will vary when you adjust the scattering values. You can also change the scattering colors. I feel it's a bit much, so I'm going to reduce it. The next option allows you to change the galaxy settings. You can change the angle of the galaxy. You can increase the galaxy strength. You can also change the colors. It adds more fun. And also we can give contrast. That's it. I hope this add-on proves more helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips.